What is going on, everybody? Back on the bike again. It is a beautiful day. It is March 28th, 2024. It is 12:59 in the afternoon. And it is, come on watch, come on. It is 66 degrees and sunny. It's supposed to get up to 70 today. So it's not gonna warm up much more. Well, we've got us a nice little ride today. We are going to the post office. It's a painful trip. I gotta send the government some money. I didn't give them enough. That's like, I thought that was funny. Chris Rock. I'm sure most of you know who he is. I was listening to him. He said he was on TV or something, and he was talking about the taxes and stuff. And he said, yeah, you let the government borrow money from you all year long, and then at the end of the year, you didn't let them borrow enough, so you got to give them some more. So that's where we're heading now. It's pretty good haul. If you watch my earlier video, actually that video when I went to pay my water bill, that actually posts the day I'm riding this ride to the post office. So this is a little bit further than the water bill place. So we're heading there, and I may make 2 videos out of this, one on the way there and then one on the way back. And I think we might stop at Walmart on the way back. We're going at a Walmart neighborhood, and we're going to actually stop at a different Walmart neighborhood than the one we normally go to. They have another one down here on the way to the water place. I'm sorry, to the post office. So we might stop at this one. I got to get me some stuff for, oh man, I saw those nails sticking out of that board. Yeah, I got to pick me up something for breakfast. So I'm hoping the traffic's not too bad because school's out. They're on spring break. We're out too. I gave a test yesterday. Today's a Thursday. I gave a test yesterday on a Wednesday, and now we're out, and I don't have to go back till Tuesday. So we're out Thursday. Well, we're really just out Friday and Monday, but I don't teach on Thursday, so I'm out today, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So that's a nice little vacation. And we've got people working. I need to stop right here. I need to go around this. But I've ridden down here in past videos. It's been a while, but I have been down here before. Actually, we went pretty far in one video. We went out there to the Monroe Civic Center. That's a pretty good haul from where I live, but I mean, we went out there. Well, I did by myself. My wife didn't go with me on that one. But I went out there and rode around downtown Monroe, came back, had battery left. So I pedaled the whole time. And that's probably what I'll do today too, is pedal. Make sure I have enough battery to get back. And I'm sure I will. I had, when I went to the water place, I pedaled the whole time, and my volts was 46.6 volts. I think when you're at 40, around 42 is when the battery's dead, or 41 point something like that. So we did good. I know 49.7 volts. You've still got 75% battery left. Man, let me tell you, the night I had last night, I enjoyed it. It was fun. Got a little disappointed. After we played putt-putt and I played a round of golf, they had a bowling tournament, a live bowling tournament, so I entered it. In qualifying, I made Group B, and then we did the step ladder, and believe it or not, I couldn't believe it. I qualified #1 in the step ladder, and so it was off to the finals. Man, let me tell you, I was bowling good. Quarterfinals, I won that round. I had the highest score of anybody in the bracket. And so then I made it to the semifinals, and I was going up against this guy. Had the highest score in that one too. And so it was off to the finals. And that's where it fell apart. I had 3 open frames in a row. I blew it. But, you know, that happens. I don't know. I guess I choked. I've been known to do that a time or two. But I enjoyed it. It was fun. Yeah, I gave 2 tests Wednesday, so I got to get those answer keys made out and get those papers graded. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to go up here and we will ride down that road where Highland Park is. I've ridden around there before, but we will go there. We'll go down that road and we'll get on Trenton Street and just go down to the post office there, and we'll be riding through Antique Alley to get to the post office. And then on the way back, we'll come back up Cypress and probably run into Walmart neighborhood. And that'll be the second video. So, and then I may make it all one video. I don't know. I hadn't decided. But I know if I make it one video, you're probably looking at a 40-50 minute video, close to an hour. So that's why I'm thinking about just splitting them up. No, well, I tell you, we got some good weather these next, well, all through the weekend we got good weather. It's going to be about like this. It's not cool enough to wear a jacket, if you just go outside, but getting on the bike, I'm glad I got a jacket. I got a long sleeve shirt on too. So let's see, is this the road? No, I gotta go up one more. It's been so long since I've been down this way. There's Trenton Street right there, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna turn here and get on Trenton Street a little further down. It's a pretty busy road, but we're gonna go this way. Now if I can just remember where to turn to get up there. Boy, I tell you, we've had some bad things happening. Had I think in the last video I told you about there was a car wreck up there on Well Road, close to that Walmart neighborhood that I normally go to, and somebody got killed in that car wreck. And then there was somebody else, and it's about 20-25 minutes from here. Yeah, I think it was a single car wreck. Somebody got killed. And these happened just within 2 or 3 days of each other. And then, was it yesterday or the day before, I think, somebody in Ruston, the city where I teach, where tech is, somebody got hit by a train. But this is sad, but they said something about one of the witnesses gave a statement saying that the car was just sitting there on the tracks. It's like he was waiting on the train to come. Oh. All right, we got across. Oh, it looks like they repaved this road. Looks like they fixed it up pretty nice. Yeah, there's the Highland Park wetlands area. A lot of people go out there and walk now. But I think we can hit Trenton Street. Basically, we're missing all that right out through there. We'll hit it up here. So it takes a little of the busy road off. Yeah, they got it looking nice out here, I tell you. I don't know what they're building right there. I think it's might be like little condos or apartments or something like that right out there. There's an egret over there. Yeah, they've been working on that for a while now. That used to be a golf course out there on my left. A little 9-hole golf course, I believe it was. Looks like it's going to be nice. There's the levee. It's the Ouachita River on the other side of it. Yeah, it says coming soon. TrentonBend.com. if you want, you can look that up and check out what it's going to be. All right, so we'll get on this road right here. This will take us to the post office. I think I'm on. All right, that was my helmet. I've got a red light on the back of my helmet, so I just turned that on. People can see me a little bit better. Look at that car. It's a little old bitty car. I don't know what kind it is. Some of you may know. You can leave that in the comments if you know what kind of car that was. That's something I've just never got into that, knowing a lot about what kind the cars are. I know some people can just look at them and just right off the bat know what they are. Not me. Now this wall up here, I guess the city of West Monroe got people to paint this. I remember when they were painting it, I don't know if it was like art students from the university that they got. My guess is that's probably what they did. Got art students from the university to come out here and paint it. Probably part of their class, they had to come out here and paint. So they might have got it painted for free. And I could be completely wrong. I don't know. That's just my guess. That would be smart if they did that. Gives the students some experience. Did we? Yeah, we passed them already, I think. But back there, we passed them. There were some apartments back there. When me and my wife first got married, that's where we lived. It was a little old one bedroom. Yeah, I think you can probably see the painting on the wall. No, the apartments are right up here. I thought we done passed them, but we didn't. All right, there's a bug on my glasses. There they are. Malibu West, 1 and 2 bedroom suites. I don't know if they ought to call them suites, but that's where it was. We lived in one of those upstairs. I don't remember which one. They had a swimming pool. Yeah, we're fixing to come up to Antique Alley here in just a minute. Unitech Training Academy. Yeah, I tell you, I know that time we went around Monroe in town, I was telling you what all those businesses used to be. I couldn't tell you over here. I didn't live in West Monroe when I grew up. We hardly ever came over here. And now I live over here. And I have to say, I like it better over here than I do in Monroe. All right, maybe we can get up here and get through this red light so we don't have to sit there and wait. Let's go. There's old TP Outdoors, Tyner Petrus. Got a lot of hunting stuff, hunting, fishing stuff in there. All right, so we are in downtown West Monroe, Antique Alley. They got some eating places back here. We don't really come over here and eat much. Hardly any, really. I think, well, you know, actually, I say hardly any. I think we've been over here one time. And that was at place over there to the left. You go to the left, and it's right around there. And we got a pizza. My daughter wanted to go there. New York style pizza. Nah, it was all right. I've had better. Whoop, whoop, whoop. She was fixing to pull out in front of me. Yeah, I've had better. I tell you, I don't think there's any pizza place around here that's better than Johnny's. I know y'all have heard me talk about that. And I know there's some people that used to live around here that moved away. I think there's a couple that watch some of my videos. They can tell you nothing like a good old Johnny's pizza or their muffalettas. They just, I mean, that's, when people leave here, like my friends, you see them all the time on Facebook. They'll leave here and move off, and that's the one thing they talk about. When they come back to visit, it seems like they always post a picture of them, post a picture on Facebook of them eating a Johnny's pizza. All right, we are at the post office, and I think, I don't know. I guess I'll lock my bike up. I'm not gonna be in there long, but we'll still lock it up.
Gary Crow or Dad?
Hello?
Hey.
Yeah.
Man goes on a grocery store and steals $100 bill.
Do what?
A man goes in a grocery store and steals $100 bill.
Yeah.
And buys $70 worth of goods.
Mm-hmm.
And he gets $30 back. And the question is, how much money did he lose? He lost $30, right?
I don't know. I'd have to think about it. I'm in the middle of riding my bike, making a video.
Oh my gosh.
I'm fixing to go into the post office.
Huh.
Yeah. All right. Well, I can't think about that right now. I'm sitting here looking for my key, the key for my lock. Bye. Well, there's just some entertainment. Where in the world is the key to my lock? Ah, I gotta clean this. I couldn't even hardly hear him. All right. There we go. Now let's get my check out. And let's go and take this with me. Yeah, I'm not gonna leave that on the bike.
Hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Yeah, I think this is neat here. Old looking P.O. boxes. Look at that. It's pretty neat. It's an old post office. You can tell. Look at that. Hello. How are you? You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna call it a video here. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will see y'all in the next one. Later.